Hello class 6. Today in physics we will learn about measurement of area. So first of all start with the definition of area. What is area? The measurement or the measure of a surface area of a closed and flat surface. Okay, a surface which is flat and closed from all sides. Now here I have drawn is a page which consists of square boxes. Now there are so many boxes in this one, you can see they are all in square shape. Now to find out area of any closed flat surface, we can choose this particular method. Now for your kind information, this square, each square is 1 centimeter in size. Here I have explained over here. One particular square I have enlarged it, and here is the square. From here to here also 1 centimeter, from here to here also 1 centimeter, from here to here also 1 centimeter, from here to here also 1 centimeter. Now I am going to draw on this particular page a closed flat surface. Let us see. Here you can see I have drawn a flat surface. It is closed from all sides. I hope you all understand what is the meaning of closed. Starting from here, all lines are connected with each other. No line is left open. That is the meaning of closed surface. So according to definition, measure of the surface area of a closed flat surface of an object is called its area. So here is the surface. The boundary of the surface is this. Within this boundary, how much surface is enclosed, that is the area. Now as you know that in this each square is 1 centimeter from all sides. So if we are able to count how many squares are here enclosed, then we will actually find out the area of this closed flat surface. So for that there is a formula in order to count how many squares are enclosed, and in that way how much area is enclosed by this particular closed flat surface. Okay, the formula that I was talking about is this. We have to count in this figure how many complete squares are covered within the boundary of the closed surface. Second, we have to count how many more than half squares are there within the boundary, and third, how many half squares are there. Now to understand this, you have to first see here. So first I have done or counted the number of complete squares. Now I have given C as the short form of complete squares. Now as you can see over here, these are the squares within the boundary which are complete squares. Okay, now this particular is not a complete square. Okay, you can see the boundary is cutting not from the complete boundary, but it is cutting inside the boundary of the square. So this is actually more than half square, whereas these are the complete squares. Okay, so let us count how many are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 9 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 30 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 9 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 9 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 complete squares I can see over here. So number of complete squares I have written there 81. Now let us count more than half squares.